Hey guys, it's Josh here. I just want to give you a brief overview of what's involved in our website maintenance plan. Now there's a lot that goes into this, so you can check out the full page with details below, and you can also go down to our FAQ section below and see some answers to our most frequently asked questions. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what's involved in the plan, and then also highlight some benefits for you as to why you should have a maintenance plan for your website. So our plan covers 4 main areas. Number 1 is updates and optimization. So with a website, there are tools, plugins, and things that were used in it that need to be updated on a regular basis. This is the best way to protect your website from hacks. So when tools become out of date, they become susceptible towards bad traffic getting in and potential malware breaches and hacks in your website that can bring it all down. So we make sure everything is updated and secured, and then we also make sure that we optimize your site. So as you add content, images, and more pages to the site, the database of the website gets bigger and bigger and can slow your website down. So we have optimization tools that we do on a monthly basis to make sure your site is running fast and smooth. The second area of our plan is monitoring and protection. So we make sure that your site is monitored daily. So if there's any odd traffic coming through or any breaches, we get notified immediately, and we have the tools to rectify that and to make sure that your site is secured. And then we also have protection, and we can add a firewall, which is basically a security net around your website that blocks bad traffic. And we have all the tools in place to make sure your site is monitored and protected at all times to avoid a potential website hack. Number 3 is backup. So if you have a website and you're doing blog posts and you're adding content, if you don't have a backup and something happens to the website, you could lose everything. This has happened to many previous clients who neglected on having a maintenance plan. So it's really important to make sure you have everything backed up. And then what we have is what's called restore points, to where if you ever make an update on your site and you break something, we can restore it from that last backup. We do restore points daily, and then we do backups on our platform and off-site just in case something should happen. We have those good backups to restore. And the 4th part of our plan is reporting. So each month, at the beginning of the month, you're going to get a report that highlights not only the work that we did to make sure your site is maintained and optimized, but it's also going to show you some of your page views. So we hook you in with Google Analytics, and you get a snapshot of your page views, your traffic, where your traffic's coming from, what people are doing on your site, and it's a really handy way for you to stay in the know for your website. And then as kind of a bonus for all my clients on our website maintenance plan is I offer an hour of time as a monthly retainer for you that you can use at any point each month. So if you have quick updates, we have an hourly rate that we do bulk updates for, but it's a lot more expensive than folks on our website maintenance plan. So if you have quick updates, if you say, hey Josh, we just need to add an image here or add a couple pages with some new details, generally we can get that done in under an hour, and it's all covered under the maintenance plan. So it will save you a lot of money in the long run. So you guys need to have a website maintenance plan to make sure your site is protected, secured. You're going to have us in your corner each month. And the great thing about this too is we offer top priority for all of our clients on our plan. So if you have an update for us, generally we get it done in less than 24 hours. Whereas some of my previous clients who are not on a plan, it might take a little longer to get to them. So I hope that just gives you a good overview of what's involved in the plan and why you should have it. Check out the details below. If you're ready to get going, you can sign up below. And then just let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I really can't wait to be able to maintain your site on a monthly basis. Thanks, guys.